Greetings. My name is Muhammad Daril Pradipta. I'm from second year student of Instrumentation and Automation Engineering. Right now, I will show my skills that I expertise in using the software of Instrumentation and Automation Engineering. First, there is a KiCad. It is a program to create a PCB, programmable circuit board, to be able to completely program. So right now, there is a line for the power and USB connection. And here's the microcontroller that I use, the ESP32 series S3. Here I use two sensors and two actuators. The systems I made is to able to have a smart farming configuration. So here's the I2C port to display LCD, and here's a serial port to be able to communicate between the boards. So here's the fully graphic and diagram. Here's the fully routed PCB. So here are some components I've been placed together and fully wiring and routed. Here I use 1.2 millimeter for the power and regulators line, and here I use 0.6 millimeter for each of the component. So here's the 3D design of it. From the design I've created, and this is the fully printed PCB. Here I use the coding using RGB. Here I use Arduino IDE to create and to be able to communicate between the software and the board. So it can utilize the communication between the board and the LED. Also, here's the 3D printed casing I use. I use the software called Fusion 360 to design its casing. Here's the Fusion 360 software that I use to design the casing for the PCB. Here's some example I show. There's a fully movable 6 industrial robotic arm. It can move freely because I use the 360 joints for each part. So right now is the lab view, software instrumentation I use to create and to simulate between it. Let me clear the chart first. So here we'll show the amplitude which moving to the time by the 10 iteration. So here is it. So it clearly shows the random generated amplitude by the time, and by the 10th iteration it will restart. So right now I'll show you my interest in studying Japan. I'm interested in Japanese way to have a creative problem solving blended with the passion of attention to detail. And there's also the modern innovation rooting from the Japan, because Japan is the core of the advanced technology nowadays, especially in Industry 5.0. For the research, I aim to be able to create a maintenance drone which have two mode of configuration. It is the mode of vertical takeoff landing VTOL and a single configuration of fixed wing. The aim is to be able to navigate through complex spaces and to locate and detect a maintenance. So it can help workers to maintenance facility in the complex industrial complex. And so it is integrated with AI, so it can help with decisions and help with the situation. And for the funding scheme, I aim to have a MEXT scholarship as fully funded because I aim to study in University of Tokyo because it has advanced technology and advanced innovation to help students in performing in their own passion and pursuing their own vision and dream. I'd like also to bridge in the mechanical engineering and also software engineering. So I have very huge interest in becoming a robotic, also a full stack developing engineer. So right now, my goal is after graduating of bachelor program, so able to land a scholarship in top university in Japan by fully funded scholarship. I'm committed to follow the program truthfully and with the content of my heart. I hope to be able to get accepted and uh, and having uh, and to be able to create the robots and also to be able to become a full stack engineer. So thank you for your attention. I look forward for the opportunity to join the program. Thank you for the time.